Are you searching for best laser welding machine? Hey guys, I am Ratul Khan. I have been working on AliExpress products for about 3 years. Hopefully, my experience and guidelines will help you best product choice. Today I am going to reviews top 5 best laser welding machine in 2023. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Number 1, Stainless Steel Laser Welding Machine, sold, 42, reviews, 11, rating, 4.6. This product is pulse argon arc welding machine, equipment costs and operating costs far from the laser welding machine and has the function of laser welding machine, with the international level of similar products, is a safe green environmental protection equipment. This product, in strict accordance with international standards and user requirements for the production, can be used for pure gold welding, cobalt chromium alloy welding, pure gold and cobalt chromium alloy welding, pure titanium welding, as well as orthodontic products with small size, safe and stable, easy to operate, maintenance-free features, equipment details, welding host control panel, handle bracket, welding handle, welding circuit clip, loop socket, gas and electricity connectors, product weight, 7.5 kilograms. Number 2, ZIYANGOL Laser Welding Machine, brand name, ZIYANGOL, model number, spot welding, sold, 10, reviews, 4, rating, 5.0, high-power spot welding machine, dental jewelry hardware, stainless steel CNC pulse argon welding machine, argon arc spot welder for stainless steel hardware accessories, jewelry, dental. This unit is suitable for all types of dental welding jobs. Jewelry welding works for both new restorations and repairs. The range of application equals at least to a laser welding unit, and cost of the equipment and operations is much cheaper than a laser welding unit. Number 3, WINIZER Laser Spot Welder, brand name, WINIZER, sold, 19, reviews, 4, rating, 5.0. This product is a high-quality pulsed argon arc welder with perfect welding to protect the items you need to weld. Pulse argon arc welding machine, equipment cost and running cost are much lower than laser welding machine, with laser welding machine function. This product is produced in strict accordance with international standards and user requirements. The product has the characteristics of small size, safety and stability, convenient operation and maintenance, can be used for pure gold welding, cobalt chrome alloy welding, titanium welding and orthodontics, hardware workpiece welding, jewelry repair welding, dental welding, jewelry DIY production. Number 4, KYNGTY Laser Welding Machine, sold, 23, reviews, 2, rating, 5.0, brand name, KYNGTY, item weight, 7.5 kilograms. This product is pulse argon arc welding machine, equipment cost and operation cost. It is based on laser welding machine and has the function of laser welding machine. It is safe and green environmental protection equipment with the same level of international similar products. This product is produced in strict accordance with international standards and user requirements. It can be used for welding pure gold, COCR alloy and pure gold, welding with cobalt chromium alloy, pure titanium and orthodontics. The product has the characteristics of small volume, safety and stability, convenient operation and maintenance free. Number 5, 3-in-1 Laser Welding Cutting Cleaning Machine, sold, 8, reviews, 1, rating, 5.0, lightweight shape, ergonomic design, comfortable grip, easy to operate, with safety alarm, automatic light lock after removing the workpiece, high safety, equipped with a nozzle assembly and a variety of angular copper nozzles to meet different production needs. The internal design is dexterous, with good interactive control system, accurate positioning and flexible alignment, suitable for a wide range of metals or alloys, for welding and cutting between a variety of shaped materials, for media-free cleaning, manual focus, and for cleaning of fitted surfaces. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and stay with us.